Amazon's not really a marketplace. It's not even a place to shop. It's really a data company. Amazon knows more about everything you've ever searched for, everything you've ever looked at, everything you've ever purchased. They know more about you than you think you know about yourself. And as a data company with certain types of data that nobody else has, that typically gets most consumers really freaked out. At times, it's a little scary to think that
James Thompson
is an e-commerce advisor and was the first Fulfillment by Amazon FBA account manager.
James co-founded the Prosper Show, the top conference for Amazon sellers.
The author of 2 books and
his expertise helps brands thrive in this challenging ecosystem.
If you had an opportunity to sit down with Andy Jassy tomorrow, what's the one question you would ask him?
why did you wait so long to require people to come back to the office?
Wow.
How do we continue to solve really hard problems? I don't know how you do that with everybody working out at their homes in different locations.
James, can I challenge you a little bit on that?
How to say this without being very unpopular. The problem that Andy Jassy, I think, is trying to solve is, turns out if you want to be a leader and you want to motivate people, the way you do it is you ask the right question. If you ask the right question, all things are uncovered.
How does that happen that challenger brands are on page 1? James, what's going on here?
You ready? We can go down so many paths here.
Listen to the full episode on our YouTube channel or wherever you consume your favorite podcasts.